Hello friend, today I want to show you how to solve this problem. Mobicel RIO-SS. You have problem only just Mobicel stuck. Also you see is stuck the Mobicel logo. After then is showing dark, is not showing menu. You see now is showing, you see now is showing like that. Is how to solve this problem. See nicely complete videos. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. I want to show you which model this phone. See the RIO-SS. After then you are put it battery. This method is 100% is working. Press power button, volume up button. After then press both of button, power button and volume up. Hold it, noise, leave it power button, only just hold volume up. Also leave it volume up button. You see now is got its setting. After then you are go to number, go to factory reset, go to this option, then press power button, then I go to done again, then press power button. After then you are go to last option, this one. After then done. See then now is done. After then press power button again. Only do it this method, only 100% this phone is done. You see now is reset, now is showing the menu. After then making next, then press the making next, again next, again next, only just making next. After then his phone is done. See the now is done 100% this phone now. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. You are doing this job 110%. All Mobicel is working this method. All Mobicel is 110% is solve this problem. You are doing same method.